Hey, Coach, did you check out HOTH?
Yeah, looking real nice. I like it above $1.
When I called it out, it was 60 cents, which you said buy 100 shares, which would have been $60.
That's correct.
It's
Right.
now at $1.11, went up 40%.
That's right. And the risk would have been about, like I said, about $6, right? So you had a $60 gain on $6 on 100 share. Would have costed you nothing to $60 to try it out, right?
So it would have doubled the money by now.
That is correct. 45 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Coach, if you look at the L2, does that unhalt mean it may unhalt at 344?
Which stock?
EAST. The unhalt. Is
Uh-huh.
it possible that that's what it's going to unhalt and gap to?
No, that's anytime you see that, that's just what was next up in line. Yeah, that's so
Gotcha.
right now, if you look in the middle, it's actually right. It was at 292 on the
Okay.
halt. Yeah, that's just people ready to buy a bid order at 344. Don't ever worry about that.
Okay.
That's just where people were placing orders at the time of the halt. That's all.
Of the halt. Okay, I got you.
Yep. East is live. East is live. Please, if you don't have a stop, put it in now. Make sure you always have your stops at time of entry.